Hello, high heels and fashion lovers, and welcome back to my channel. I hope, guys, that you are doing good, and I hope that you're excited for the new video today. And today it's going to be about denim. I know that you cannot say that from my outfit, so it's a really summer outfit. But today I really would like to pay attention to this really essential in any wardrobe, denim, and everything that I have, from denim. So I'm not talking only about jeans or skirts. I have also maybe shoes. And they're mules, but still, and also boots, a pair of boots and some other accessories that I would like to present to you today. So it's going to be everything about the classy old denim. I will not have anything else more to say, so let's get started with look number one. So guys, this was all for today. I hope that you are enjoying my video, and I hope that you generally like jeans and denim as much as me. I think I found it very casual, but styled properly, it could be really on point. And I like it also because I think that suits me, and yeah, make my my back part looking good. So it was a joke. Yeah, please let me know which of those looks was your favorite and why. Also give me big thumbs ups, and yeah, keep on watching my videos, keep on supporting me, keep on skipping keep on not skipping the advertisements, and please come to my Instagram's channels and support me there too. I'm trying to post as yeah, regularly as possible, but yeah, especially when I have inspiration, and I think that the name for the spring and summer, it's a really good option. So it was easy really to make this video. Now I'm going to edit that for you, and I'm not sure when I'm going to post that, but hopefully soon. Today is 25th of May for me. When I'm recording, I don't know which day it's yeah, you are going to watch this. Anyways guys, yeah, I'm also very happy to be catch upping with you, and as I said, please come to my Instagram channels. I have more content there, and yeah, let's be friends there as well. So that was all for today, and I would like to wish you a nice day ahead, and I hope that we are going to see each other very soon. Bye guys. Yeah, kisses, hugs, positive vibes from Vienna. See you soon. Bye.